So here's a microwave with the top cover removed. The amount of oil I see in this microwave is quite disgusting, and clearly someone favored to fry their food a lot. So motor, and I guess that's the sensor to measure the moisture, which measures directly from the microwave right there. So the main power line comes in here, and as you can see, it goes down, and there's a fan to the transformer, and then I guess that's the magnetron, and it taps directly from the transformer and goes through a capacitor, power capacitor. Okay, here is something that's interesting. That's what I found inside this cover. I guess the troubleshooting guide. It's kind of odd to see it's placed inside the microwave. Here comes the top cover. Ew. That's a lot of oil there. It's interesting. So I should be able to remove this control panel just by here. There you go. Here comes the bottom plate. I guess that's the motor for your plate. Okay, so here's a better view of magnetron. The fan is out, so is the transformer and the power capacitor. Let me see if I can open this guy out and see how it looks inside. So the protective covering is off, and here is how the magnetron looks. Here's a better look. Let me see if I can take it out from the casing. Let's see how it looks like. That's interesting. I guess that's the chamber how the microwave goes inside, and here is how it looks. I always thought the microwaves come from here, but it looks like it comes from the top, because if you look at it, that's the chamber that goes in on the side. On the back, it goes through this, and there is the motor that we removed from the beginning of the video, and comes from here. Let me see if I can open it. This part was here. Like that. So I guess the motor turns this on or off, and from that side the microwave rays come. So here's the skeleton.